Ready to elevate your grilling game? Introducing the Renaissance Cooking Systems Refrigerator, the perfect match for your grilling adventures. The REFR1A features a stainless steel door, wire-adjustable shelves, interior lights, auto defrost, and a locking door. This refrigerator is a perfect addition to your RCS outdoor kitchen and for keeping food and drinks cold. And here's the sizzling deal. Get this for just $99 when you buy any Renaissance Cooking Systems grill or American Renaissance grill. Upgrade your grill, upgrade your life. Visit our website for more details.